when we're laying on our deathbed you're not going to stress over how much cash you had, how much force you had, how a lot eminence. You will see that that was all game, that was every one of the deception. The solitary thing is going to wish you is the sway you had on others' lives. We are all together on a different excursion, however the wonderful thing about our life here on this world is at my memorial service. They ain't going to discuss my prosperity. They're going to discuss what Nick's identity was. Furthermore, how Nick lived and how Nick cherished. Furthermore, empowered achievement is amazingly significant, however considerably more significant than achievement. It's having an effect, it's realizing you haven't strolled the planet in vain, it's realizing that since you've been here you've favored lives, you've created individuals, and you have made the world a superior spot. The impact you have on others is the most important. Money there is all that you acquire throughout everyday life will decay and self-destruct. What not will be left of you is the thing that was in your heart. Life is a mirror, and life gives us not what we need, life gives us what our identity is. At the point when you were conceived you cried while the world cheered. Carry on with your life in such a way that when you pass on the world cries while you cheer. You